we are putting a 15-inch rear conversion on it, and we're adding AAD arms to the rear cradle, so it'll get all 8 of the arms. So we're in the beginning processes now. We're dropping the diff. Oh, and we're putting a new 309 diff in it, so it'll get a new diff, new arms, and new bushings on the cradle, new bushings on the diff. The diff bushings will get knocked out. We'll put the new Sunpro bushings in, so all in a day's work.
So we got an LT1 here, this the GM 6.2 for assembly for a customer of ours. It's running a Corvette. I'm just finishing up filing and checking my ring gap here before I start getting pistons and rods and doing the crank assembly. We're putting this in here.